Hi, Jonathan Car Beauty here with Car Beauty Real Estate, and welcome back to our video blog where we bring you relevant information to make informed decisions in the marketplace. Today I want to talk to all of the sellers in the marketplace. We know that the market's on fire. We know that there's a shortage of inventory. There's probably a larger shortage of inventory than I've seen in my entire 23-year real estate career. But it's not just about pulling a number out of thin air. Experience and reference points matter when you're choosing a real estate agent or a broker to put your home on the market. There is an art and a science to putting your home on the market. It's not just about price, it's about marketing, it's about positioning, and there's an art and a science to putting your home on the market. You're hiring a real estate broker for their marketing expertise and their negotiation experience. Sometimes not having the right real estate agent is the difference between leaving $5,000, $10,000, or $15,000 on the table. I could tell you stories, but I'm not even going to go in that direction. If you're thinking about selling your home even 3 months, 4 months, or 6 months from now, give me a call at the number at the bottom of the screen, 203-980-6886, or just go to our website at carbeautyrealestate.com and we'll get back to you right away and we'll show you the Car Beauty difference. Thanks for watching.